Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plugtv Live. On the Gist today, DJ Switch leaves Nigeria for Canada, testifies before Canadian Parliament. We'll bring you details in a bit. Nigerian DJ Switch has reportedly left Nigeria for Canada and has been given asylum in Canada as she testifies about the Lekki shooting. According to her last post, DJ Switch said she had to leave her home because she's an eyewitness to the horrible incident that happened at the Lekki toll gate. According to her statement, the soldiers said they were working on instructions given to them, hence there was nothing they could do. DJ Switch revealed details of some of the events while speaking to Subcommittee on International Human Rights of the Standing Committee on Foreign Affairs and International Development of the Canadian Parliament. She was made to recount the incident that led to the death of a number of protesters at the Lekki toll gates. She said that the military opened fire on the protesters after creating a three-formation line. While debunking rumors by the Nigerian army that the soldiers fired blank bullets in the air, DJ Switch said the soldiers actually shot at them. She also added that the military were ordered to stop shooting by a senior military officer, and the police were drafted to the toll gate and continued the shooting at protesters who were still at the protest ground. She revealed that she has been in hiding following threats to her life by unknown people and said that she thought it was empty threat until she received a call that the military were trying to arrest her. While we are still trying to get more reports in this line, journalist Kemi Olunloyo had tweeted, DJ Switch has already left Nigeria. She's already in asylum hearings in Canada, so I hear. The rest of you protesters and those with that yellow logo on your DP, keep waiting till Buhari arrests you. Trust me, we love Nigeria, but dead men can't talk. So many other blog sites have reported DJ Switch fleeing Nigeria. For about a week now, many of those who played active role in the EndSARS protest have reported different cases of targets by the government. While some had their account frozen, some others had their passports seized and denied exit out of the country on private trips. According to reports, all of those who played active involvement in the EndSARS protest are currently being investigated by the government. Although the government has denied these allegations severally, but we keep our fingers crossed to see what happens from here. But we definitely will bring you more details in line with this. Remember to like and subscribe to Plugtv Live before you go.